Go big or go home is an idiomatic expression that encapsulates the idea of putting forth maximal effort and taking bold, ambitious actions in order to achieve significant success or make a lasting impact. This phrase is often used to motivate individuals to step out of their comfort zones and pursue grand endeavors, emphasizing the notion that only those who are willing to take substantial risks and dedicate themselves fully to their goals are likely to achieve remarkable outcomes. The phrase is rooted in the concept of embracing challenges with unwavering determination. It encourages people to shatter conventional limitations and push beyond average expectations. By adopting a mindset of going big, individuals are inspired to set audacious goals that may initially seem daunting or even unattainable. However, the underlying message is that by daring to dream big and striving for greatness, individuals increase their chances of achieving extraordinary results. The contrast presented in the phrase, go big or go home, implies that playing it safe or settling for mediocrity is not the path to significant achievement. It urges individuals to avoid complacency and urges them to take bold steps even when faced with uncertainties. The phrase acknowledges that great rewards often come to those who are willing to embrace uncertainty and face challenges head-on. This saying is also a reflection of the entrepreneurial spirit, where risk-taking is a fundamental aspect of innovation and success. Entrepreneurs and visionaries understand that breakthroughs rarely occur without stepping outside of established norms and striving for innovative solutions. By choosing to go big, these individuals are more likely to make disruptive changes that reshape industries and societies. Go big or go home can be applied in various contexts beyond business and entrepreneurship. It resonates in sports, arts, personal growth, and other facets of life. Athletes, for instance, train vigorously and aim for record-breaking performances, demonstrating that pushing limits often leads to outstanding achievements. Similarly, artists who challenge traditional conventions and experiment with novel ideas are more likely to leave a lasting impact on their audiences. In conclusion, go big or go home encapsulates the philosophy of pursuing greatness, taking calculated risks, and striving for remarkable accomplishments. It's a call to action for individuals to abandon mediocrity and embrace challenges with unwavering dedication. By venturing beyond their comfort zones and aiming for ambitious goals, individuals increase their chances of leaving a lasting mark on their chosen fields and achieving success that is truly extraordinary.